In this video, I will show you how to kill or stop a screen session in Ubuntu. We will use simple commands in the terminal. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard or search for terminal in your applications. Now, let's see all the screen sessions that are running. Type this command, screen-ls, then press Enter. You will see a list of running screen sessions. Each one has a name or number next to it. Now, choose the session you want to kill. To kill it, type this command showing on the screen. Add your screen session name after the S letter in the command and then press Enter. This command tells the system to quit or stop that screen session. If you want to make sure it's gone, run screen-ls. Again, press Enter. You should no longer see that session in the list. That's it. You have now learned how to kill a screen session using the terminal. Thank you for watching.